Hi, Miles Free, Director of Industry Research and Technology for the Precision Machine Products Association. On Monday, April 23rd at 8:45 in the morning, I'm going to be joined by several of my colleagues to present a panel on the topic of metallurgy for the non-metallurgist. Myron Lee from Mueller Brass, John Collins from Stainless and Aluminum Incorporated, Ray Schnell of Valbruna Stainless, and myself are going to explain some of the differences, the different characteristics in our materials that can make a difference in your shop operations. This is going to be a splendid session for your team to come and find out why it is that even though the tag says it is what it is, the results they get in their process are quite different. See you in Chicago, Monday, April 23rd, 8:45 to 10:15 a.m. It's going to be Metallurgy for the non-metallurgist. See you there.